Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix a failed to load xgameruntime.dynamic link library error code 126 in Windows 11 or 10. Here, there is a problem with the gaming services if you encounter this error. Here how to fix. Thank you to howtoconnect.com to provide this article. So in order to uninstall and reinstall the gaming service, you can go to the terminal or PowerShell and run as administrator. Here, for example, I open the start icon or right click the start icon and search for terminal admin. Yes, here you can try to copy this command and hit enter after each. So you can try to open or reinstall the game and see if this problem solved. And you can update app from Microsoft Store. Also, you can go to the application store, Microsoft Store, to get updates. Repair and reset gaming service. You can go to the gaming service on the apps. You can repair and reset also and try if this problem fixed. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so contact button below. See you in the next video.